Good morning, my dear students. You did really well today. I was noticing how you all were performing. You were coming forward. You participated in dances. You see poem recitation, posters, sketches. You delivered impressive speeches too. Wonderful performances by all the children. So I would like to give you a huge round of applause to each one of you. And here I can see some new faces too. The students who have got new admissions in our school, I would like to welcome all the students at Shamford Futuristic K-12 School Oraya on behalf of the management and all the staff members. So, my lovely students, you have had a right choice by opting Shamford Futuristic K-12 School Oraya. As you all have shared, the motto of the school is spread the light. Yes, I want all the children to join hands and help in spreading the light of knowledge, light of knowing what is right and what is wrong. अज्ञानता से ज्ञान की प्रकाश की ओर जाना है और उस ज्ञान का प्रकाश हर तरफ स्प्रेड करना है आपको हर तरफ नेबरहुड कम्युनिटी your friends your family all around let everybody know what is right what is wrong so you all are critical thinkers you're right so you should know what is right what is wrong and make sure you share the same with everyone with everybody all around so my lovely students I again welcome you all at Shamford Futuristic K-12 School Oraya, all the new students and obviously the children who are already studying in the school, those students as well, right? Because they are, again, now you all are in the new classes, you've got new teachers, right? At Shamford, we strive to provide you holistic learning that not only focuses on academic excellence, but also on moral values, on life skills, on character, because you all have potential to shine. And it is our responsibility to help you realize that potential. To all my new students, again, I just would like to say let's come together, spread the light of knowledge, wisdom, and compassion, and let's make this world a better place. At Shamford Futuristic K-12 School Oraya, where the future is bright and possibilities are endless. And as I have given you one homework too, all the students, you need to explore different other festivals that are celebrated in our country that are related to agriculture, right? You have to create a mind map and submit the same with your teachers. Do connect your learning with the daily life, right? Have a nice day. Thank you.